Non-stick cooking spoons are an essential tool for any home cook. There are many products available to choose non-stick cooking spoons, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best non-stick cooking spoons from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Silicone Non-Stick Mixing Spoon Set. The Silicone Non-Stick Mixing Spoon Set 2 is a versatile and essential kitchen tool for stirring, mixing, and serving hot and cold food. Its solid silicone design is safe and healthy for your family, heat-resistant up to 480 degrees Fahrenheit, and won't melt or warp. The smooth edges won't scratch non-stick pans, making it perfect for cooking. Its stylish and colorful new design will inspire you to love cooking again. It is easy to clean as it is dish. Number 2. 2-pieces silicone non-stick mixing spoons. With these 2-pack silicone mixing and serving spoons, you can safely and confidently mix and serve hot or cold food. Made from high-quality food-grade silicone, these spoons are 100% BPA-free and heat-resistant up to 480 degrees Fahrenheit. The ergonomic design features a long handle and a wide spoon for comfortable and efficient use in the kitchen. These stylish spoons are dishwasher-safe and perfect for mixing and serving many kinds of food. Plus, the manufacturer offers a 100% satisfaction guarantee. Number 3. 2-pack large silicone cooking spoon. The Vovoli 2-pack silicone cooking spoons are an ideal set for stirring, transferring, scraping, serving, and mixing food. Made of high-grade silicone that's heat-safe up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 230 degrees centigrade. These spoons have a rigid nylon core for added durability and flexibility. The solid cooking spoon has a deeper bowl with embossing measurement marks 15 milliliters, 30 milliliters, and 45 milliliters, while the slotted spoon has a flat edge. Number 4. Pack of 2 large silicone cooking spoons. Benlepro cooking spoons are a set of 2 large, heat-resistant, and non-stick silicone cooking spoons, perfect for mixing, serving, draining, and stirring food. Made of food-grade silicone, they are safe and healthy to use, even at high temperatures of 446. The spoons have a thoughtful design with an anti-scald silicone handle that is comfortable to hold, and a large capacity to hold food more conveniently. They are easy to clean and can be wiped with hot water or put in the dishwasher. The round hanging hole design makes it easier to dry. Benlepro is committed to providing customers with the highest quality kitchen utensils, and if you have any questions about their products, they are happy to serve you. Number 5. Silicone Mixing Spoon Non-Stick Kitchen Spoon. The VXYW Mixing Spoon is a versatile kitchen tool that is perfect for cooking. Made of food-grade silicone, this spoon is heat-resistant up to 480 degrees Fahrenheit, making it ideal for stirring and serving hot dishes. Its seamless design prevents bacteria buildup, unlike wooden spoons. The spoon is also easy to clean as food won't stick to it, and it can be washed by hand or in the dishwasher. With a length of 8.1 inches, it is the perfect size for stirring and serving food from smaller pots and pans. The VXYW mixing spoon is a must-have for any.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.